On the rise like El Chapo. These fools can't see me like El Chapo. From nothing to something like El Chapo. They want me dead or alive like El Chapo. I throw the west, I'm like a rato. Been wanted since before I hit my teenage. Sharpening my skills, let's look at what the streets made. A criminal at a young age because I couldn't behave. A menace to society is what my actions relay. Used to be stuck in the hood, homies free base. Now I got movie money, hundreds in the briefcase. Used to be in stolen Honda Civics in the courts. When I face trial, the only time I pray to the Lord. Couple homies shot in the face next to me. Used to have street envy way before I had jewelry. Before I had these albums out, before I had these movies. Used to hide in my closet, in my dresser, texting Uzis. Excuse me, is your name Roberto Garcia? That was way before the LA Fair jump. I'm Maravilla, way before my first glitch. I way before my first wheel, I way before my first homie lost his vida. On the rise like El Chapo. These fools can't see me like El Chapo. From nothing to something like El Chapo.